Neumorphism is very interesting design language, and this setup right here follows the same design language. One day I was making some changes to my home screen and I wondered, what if I could implement neumorphism to my Android's home screen? I have done the exact and results are here in front of you. There are 3 home screens, each one is dedicated to focus on certain thing. So first screen here is a general or social screen where I have all my general or social media apps or widgets. Second screen is my entertainment screen where I put all my entertainment related apps or widgets. And the third screen I would call glance screen where I can get some quick info about the upcoming dates or events for the month. Isn't this Neumorphic home screen looking awesome? And the best part is anyone can achieve this setup for their Android home screen. Only prerequisites are KWGT plus Shadow Widget Pack, Dove Light Icon Pack, Nova Launcher or any other launcher as long as it provides basic level of customization. So enough talk. Now let's get straight into the setup process, which I will try to finish as soon as possible. As you can see, I have installed all the required apps. So let's start the setup process. First, open the Nova Launcher and do some basic customization like set the icon size to 110%. And if you have modern Android device with aspect ratio like 20:9, then set the grid size to 5:7. Skip this step if you are on traditional aspect ratio like 16:9. Now change the wallpaper and set this one. Link for this wallpaper will be in the video's description. Now go to home screen. Scroll down to search bar placement and tap on drop down and choose none. Then go to dock, enable dock background. Set radius of all 4 corners to 100% and choose round from the drop down right to them. Now open the widgets panel and start putting widgets on home screen. Most important element for this setup. Use widget size around 2x2 for these first 2 widgets. When you put the widget with the right size, tap on it and it will take you to the KWGT app. Choose Shadow Widget Pack from here. Now choose the widget which I am choosing. By the way, don't worry about the numbers of widget I am using. Just see the name of the widgets and you will easily find them when you will be setting this up. Do some small correction in widgets. By the way, I am not going into detail how you can make some changes in these KWGT widgets because I promised to complete this setup as short as possible. So if you are stuck onto something and want to know how to change certain thing in KWGT widgets, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on how to use KWGT widgets, or you could watch other videos on this topic. There are thousands of them. With that, I'm going to sign out this video. I'm very excited for the content on this channel. Just wanna know about you.